Hi, I'm Mike, the owner of Established 46, and this is Margie, the creative director. We are a premium clothing company located in Los Angeles, California. We focus on creating handcrafted high-quality denim, ready-to-wear, basics, and business attire for men and women, made from the finest Italian, Japanese, or American fabrics at an affordable price. I've spent more than 5 years in manufacturing, working with designers from top brands such as J Brand, Rag & Bone, Tom Ford, Page, Baldwin. I helped them develop their concepts from pattern making to finished product in the high fashion and ready-to-wear industry. Prior to ever building my own factory, I'd always been interested in fashion. I wanted to develop my own clothing line. I believe that fashion is being sold in the wrong way, from startup brands to global brands. They all have the same problem. They're all in the industry for selling. I fell in love with the business because of what clothing represents to me. Fashion is a statement of who we are as people, or people who we wish to become. Fashion has a bigger meaning beyond the name of the brand or where it came from. Fashion represents our character in the way we live our day-to-day life. If you look at a surfer who was born and raised at the beach, his or her livelihood is the ocean. She dresses for the ocean and takes on the identity of the ocean. This is the meaning of fashion. It is you. It is not the name of the brand. It's the identity and the ideology. I believe that is what needs to be represented. I wanted not only to build a great quality product, but help change the world in the way that we see clothing, and use clothing for that matter. We live in a world full of low quality product to be sold at an inexpensive price and rarely valued, or other extreme high-end products that are overpriced. Being the manufacturer, I believe that the process of engineering products to where they can be offered to the customers at high quality and even more an affordable price. That is why I created Established 46.